The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has reduced the 14-year imprisonment term imposed by FCT High Court at Gudu on the former governor of Taraba State, Jolly Nyame, to 12 years with a fine of total sum of 495 million naira for offence bordering on criminal breach of trusts and misappropriation of the state funds. In a similar judgment, the appellate court also reviewed the imprisonment term of the former governor of Plateau State, Joshua Dariye, from 14 to 10 years. Judiciary correspondent Basil Okafo tells us more.
The former governor of Plateau State, Joshua Dariye, and his counterpart, the former governor of Taraba State, Jolly Nyame, were separately sentenced to 14 years imprisonment by Justice Adebukola Banjoko of the Federal Capital Territory High Court sitting at Gudu in Abuja. The former governors were sent to prison for criminal breach of trust and misappropriation of the funds meant for the development of their various states. They separately appealed against the convictions at the Court of Appeal in Abuja, but delivering a judgment, two panels of the appellate court justices that separately heard the appeals affirmed the convictions of the two governors. Dariye's imprisonment term was commuted from 14 to 10 years without an option of fine, but Nyame's imprisonment term was reduced from 14 to 12 years with a fine of total sum of 495 million naira.
We are satisfied with the judgment. It's a very sound judgment. It's throwing more light on the fight against corruption. The Court of Appeal found forcefully that being a false offender, that is not good to give maximum sentence, and that's why for this case it was reduced from 14 years to 12 years.
So the court gave the reason for the reduction of the imprisonment terms on the grounds that the convicts were first offenders and should not be given maximum sentence. For now, counsel to the appellants wants to consult the convicts first on whether to approach the apex court in the country or not.
All right. Sir, are you still going upstairs to appeal this judgment?
Well, we will study it carefully, and we will consult with the client, and whatever his instructions are will be carried out, and we will advise him generally.
The appellate court also agreed with the trial court that the convicts were given fair hearing to prove their innocence. Basil Okafo, Court TV News, Abuja.